Hello everyone, I'm here to help you to be confident and fluent in English, and trust me, I will solve you every problem related English. Most of your friends, we have a lot of friends, huh? So they really sometimes recommend us to follow any YouTube channel to learn English. Sometimes they recommend us to read any newspaper. But can you really think that we never use newspaper language in our daily life? It is our the situation when we talk about in our own way, not in a newspaper language. This is bookish, this is totally written language, so we cannot use it. And the another question, have you ever thought that why we can understand 100% but why we can't speak even 50%? I'm telling you the reason actually, because all the stuff in English we have in our mind, but these all stuffs are in inactive mode. So we need to change them in active mode. So I will do the same. Okay, so I am thinking these days to upload few things in my like sessions where you will have to observe me. I have planned here for 2 sessions. Number one thing, only and only you will have to get your 5 minutes to observe one situation. So I will be talking about this situation by situation. Only within 5 minutes I will let you know how to cover this situation, what exactly we are supposed to speak if we encounter this situation. So this way I will be giving you there a lot of examples. Within 5 minutes I will feed your brain like how you have to speak in that situation. Okay, so this way if you cover one situation daily, so one day we will cover almost all situations which we are going to encounter in our life or maybe in our future time. Okay, and the another part of this session, I'm thinking of uploading my one session, not actually. Firstly I will do one by one. So where you have to do, you have to do is that you have to observe me while speaking. So while speaking, I will be telling you about my life. Sometimes I will be talking on different topics as your problem also. I can talk about that. So there I will be deliberately using a lot of vocabs. Not only vocabs but also linking words and few grammar capsules and all of these. So in this way you will know how to use them. Also, I will clear the meaning of it and I will try to give you more and more examples so that you could understand you better way. And the next thing, daily as in my session, I will be talking everything in Hindi and then in English so that you could understand it well in your like mother tongue is Hindi. And if your mother tongue is not Hindi, so you can understand it in English. So this way you will know how to translate it in your mother tongue to English. Okay. So I hope you can guess what exactly I mean to say. Only and only you have to do two things here, observation, and in next part